going on? What's going on? Yeah. On my way out here to... Actually, I just got done cleaning out my car. And I am now literally about to sell it. One second. I'm literally about to sell my car. My Mercedes GL 450. It was good for me. It was really, really good. This is it right here. That bad boy nice, huh? Yeah, it was good while it lasted. Nice big boy Benz. You know how I do it. I think this is my 34th Benz. But I'm about to sell it because it's a wrap. Yeah, really, really nice. You know, three rows. God is good. God is good. You know, I've been blessed to have a lot of different luxury cars in my life. And this is just another one. But it's time to say adios. On to bigger and better things. Hold on, let's get what, it's cool.
You know that slow work?
Yeah, Fred got the big boy out here. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get the video popping, homeboy. Hey man, we came a long way from Southern University, kid.
Long way, man.
You know what I'm saying? Big Fred, TJ. You know, we OGs not, triple OGs, you know what I'm saying? We in St. Louis, you know what I'm saying? One more time. Hey, look, you know you a hustler if you got this on. If you got this gray hoodie joint right here,
yeah.
That's how you know you a hustler, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Peace.